Hi, I'm Karen Collins, a Senior Executive Team Leader with Usborne Books and More, and I'm going to show you tonight about the customer specials that are available November 1st through November 12th. They can be ordered anytime between then, and how that works is with customer specials, for every $40 you spend, you can pick 3 books at a great discount. The ones that are featured the first part of November include The Big Book of Big Sea Creatures, and this one comes out of our series of Big Book of Bigs. And for example, several of the pages fold out like this. This one we learn about all different big mammals, learning about octopus, squid, and jellyfish. Here we learn about some animals with shells. How about some big, huge sharks? And then towards the end, we just feature lots of big fish, big ugly dudes. And then at the back, it just talks about some of the superlatives in the animals we've learned about in the book. So it features lots of different big animals. So if it's a child that likes sea animals, it'll be a perfect book. Next book is Drawing, Doodling, and Coloring, and this one's all for Christmas. So this book features all different scenes that you might get to decorate for winter or Christmas. Big variety of different pages. I can see a child having tons of fun between Thanksgiving and Christmas, going through the pages of this and decorating it with markers or colored pencils. Perfect for elementary, middle school age children. Here we have a board book called Farm Animals, and it is one of our Lift the Flap fun flippy flap books. And we're looking for, in this case, I believe that is a horse. And each of the pages have some poke holes through them. As the child goes through, they learn about all different animals, and then towards the end it once again opens up to the same animal, so they get to see the horse at the end. There's also a little mouse hidden in various places on both of the pages as you go through, and it features different animals all the way through the book. Great way for a child to have fun learning about animals while lifting the flaps. Our next book is one that, if you're a consultant and don't already have, now's the perfect time to get it. This is Life in Colors, and George presented it at ALR and for all of us a few years ago. And if you hear us talk about orange, green, gold, or blue personalities, this is the fabulous book to learn all about it. Just a great reading book, resource book to learn about the 4 different types of personalities and different features about each of them. The next book has to do with art. It's My First Art sticker book. The second half of the book is pages and pages of different stickers. And as you go through the first half of the book, you're learning all about different artworks, and every place that's kind of shadowed, muted, there's a picture at the back that correlates with that spot. The stickers at the back are well labeled, so you know which pages they work best on. And it's just a fun way for children to learn about all different types of artwork. And one last book that's featured for one of our customer specials the first part of November is our baby's very first touchy-feely animals playbook. And this one's fabulous because as the baby or small child goes through it, there's lots of things to touch and feel as they're learning about all different animals. Some parts are soft, some parts are rough and prickly, lots and lots of grooves that they can follow along with their finger, and just tons of fun for any child that enjoys touching things and figuring them out. This is one of my favorite books out of this series because there's so many fun things to talk about and look at. Once again, those are the 6 customer specials available the first part of November.